Khubor pi baro shakatup Khubor jangi ke dbmnTv. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi Shillong. Persya ki Autonomous District Council ye ke uniform civil code. Ye tur mareng ki kertong NPP bat TMC Hasoyong. Kershan nong bat talang ki samla puli Tura Government College. Bat lakentiu pastrate bathamai ye ke mirdon riboy singon. Bat mentangin pa shigi Khubor bakam penya. Haka arpu sautrik Iaiong arjar arpulai laingut ki CEM na laitali ki Autonomous District Councils ke Jylla Meghalaya ki bekentup ika Khasinews Autonomous District Council KHADC, Janta Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC, bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC, kila kenduk lang ha Shillong ha Conference Hall jangka KHADC, ban ye peliu jingmut halor ke jingtemu ke Sorkar India, ban wanra ye ke bil Uniform Civil Code UCC, hapo kari barok kawai. Nakaliang uba Tito Starwell Khan CM ke KHADC haba krench kilat pathai Khubor ulay thuo balada pentre kam ye ke Uniform Civil Code kan kta ye ke Jylla kamtam ye ke riulom badru ye ke jingpenya jung ki District Council. Uba Titos Uloong bakum ki jat ben riulom usngo bakani ke jing pentre kam ye ke UCC kedai ke bamla Satyaban Pediang hapo ke Jylla Meghalaya. Uloong ru bagi District Council kilarai bikin persya ekajing pentre kam ya ke UCC ha ke 6th schedule. Syu UCM ke KHADC ulai thu ru syaki CM ke JHADC bat ke GHADC baka KHADC kala menjur ya kajing pentre kam ya ke Village Development Council Bill. Ula kentui kini arteli ki District Council bikin menjur lang halor ketiga bil kenang beki jingtmu ki jing ang not jeng ki nongelam menchwa ken urlong ban penyat bet penyat renti ya kesenchar khadar daki District Council.
So friends, today we are having this meeting of all the 3D ADC represented by the Honorable CM of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council along with Deputy CM and CM of Jylla Hills Autonomous District Council along with Deputy CM and EMs, and from Khasinews myself and all the executive members including our respective chairman of the council. So we have a very cordial, successful meeting today. We have discussed some important issue, especially regarding the intention of the central government to introduce their bill of Uniform Civil Code in the country. So we feel that UCC will directly have an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have unanimously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. We will resolution in our respective council soon regarding this matter. Secondly, regarding the amendment of the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule, this matter has been kept for so long. So we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues. That is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. These are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Garo Hills and Jylla Hills that in KHEDC we have passed an act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, which they should pass this bill, so that implementation of village council will not no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in the respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council, like Jylla Hills and Garo Hills also. Maybe they will have more amendment, or they will pass this separate bill, which we call Village Development Council Bill. Which we have discussed is regarding financial matters. You see, we used to get a share from the state government, like minor mineral share, major mineral share, and motor vehicle tax share from the state government. But unfortunately, all these years, we never get a correct calculation how much our share used to be. We always got a lump sum amount of share. So we would like to urge the state government that at least we should get an actual calculation regarding this matter all these years. So we would like also to urge the state government to get more fund for all the three ADC, especially like the plant scheme, other financial assistance, and even we have discussed about the delay in our 15 financial assistance, 15 Finance Commission award, which we used to get from the central government regarding like the GTC, or to urge the government to release our fund in time. Because the delaying of release of fund is also the delay of implementation of the scheme. Because from the central government, they used to give us pressure to submit the UC, but we cannot submit our UC in time because we didn't get our fund in time. So right now we are not getting our fund, like on-tight scheme, right from 21, 22 to 23 we have not get. Like health scheme also we are not getting till now. So these are the problems which we face by all the three ADC. So we would like jointly to urge the state government to see this kind of delaying in implementation of the scheme should not be taken place.
Arngut ki kertong ye kun election soyong ujong ke NPP uba samlin malnyang bat jong ke TMC uba studing star thaba kilayatur prak marring hak arpu sautrik Iaiong haba kilayak sat kring pat ba dakaba penrem uwe ye we pat uba studing star thaba na TMC ula kentho persya ye uba samlin malnyang jong ke NPP ba ula kentho ikinong yalam niam bagi pernop hakakam san perthai uba studing star thaba ulayadai kinong yalam niam da kaboong begini kirang ba kitray minot top man kasngi tang na kabentaban syakri kipat ba hakikam mensim bat kikam bekenjable uloong bekinong yalam niam ki imsngi tang na kabenta kikam jong uble kemba keno uba samlen malnyang ulay tu akilat pathai Khubor ha Shillong Press Club ba kajingkren jong uba samlen kalong kabam syong nia bat kabam don nongrim rue uloong ru bekinong yalam niam kiyo ikaburam na kipara brew na marki pelit jingmot tang ikikam bekenja mensim.
Hakabadikong na ikublay ya piti press na kimiyam nakaliang jonga nawa nang ni mentaka ni press konfen man pinsay kandi jongka parti TMC na soyong konstitusi na penpau ya kajing snukia ya kajing election jong kertong ka parti MPP hapo soyong konstitusi ibading samin mangyang halor kajing keren domet jongku ya ki nongilam nyam ki pastor inong sarai kaba ulong ba ilong tang kung kinong batay kinong le bat susuru ulagran ni kenika kendien kaba ba ki nongilang nyam habagi semaji bang cinta kila kledu kan duai nasnu ba halor kali kebentar na kalian kejomahi bat ke parti TMC asong sosi berwe nasnu bangim snu ha ya kaneka jingkran kejumbu kini kalalong ka kini kala tak ya keburung jom ka inong ilam nyam beper ako jalan kaya jungi namarban bangi campaign ya ka election ban penyatungku denggi inong ilam nyam ni balang bat kasaji masima tinges ba ke bangim so hap galiliru de ya nakajom de khamtam ginong ilam nyam jing pensai na kalian jong ketua ke press moi Dr. Khubor ke pensai itu kadaitan saya mau baru saya dan kalian yang mendenung nang iya ka di percaya yang ini George Bill ndo te kalau butuh te doi ka jikta te ngatrai nomor kapat deh ke bersisa ke ni nomor ba lesi kadaitan ka butuh no pentami ya ka parti TMC khamtam ni ya bos soyo menta ini kira ni ya menta hal ni kecil ni mau berhenti ke bawah menta so bawah idon ke thong man poi saka thong ke dia sing di tanda nu ban liar pendam ke parti ke suni dan cerita ye
ini kumkan ni alam coba TMC saya konstitusi berapa saya blok ipan pa dengan jing dengan sim ke pasal dia haba ngi kumne nak apa man kentok kena itinang yalam niam kumti pastor ada dengan besar yang akan aku saya tada kumo juang kembali lapan syai men tong tasi minit lapan kelar yang badai masih hidup andai kalau dah keren yutrai umat man hidup kaji siang keren bangi jua keren idol bat bun kipa kinong yang nyam mensin long tak kinong batai bat kinong ini bakun kita guna handrai wat ia lade pat iklan bakin doai abang isma cinta bang cinta dokha iklan doai kibang kibang telaro nalendena nomor cibun mentok not handrai aspeni baiklah keren yang kecil
Kinong yalam ketura Government College kilai hap jingmut ban kershan ye kecing dawa ban pelong ye ketura kum kanong ba telang jong ke Meghalaya kumbala thrang deki babon kiseng bhalang bat kiseng sanhima neki lom garo hakini kisngi. U Anand CH Momin President keseng kisamla puli tura Government College uloong bakajing wanra ye kini kejing temu kan kentiwi kipat rilom garo ha kejing long marrengkat bat kiwei pat kijat pen riu lom ha Meghalaya. Uloong bakalong kabasyong niaban penlong ye ketura kenong ba telang jong ke Meghalaya ya keba ke sorkar kede ban penurlong kloilan kat bala. Ujeri SE Sangma General Secretary kisamla puli kini ke college ulaban syuk da kebaong bakalong kejing ang nuot kirang ba ye kun Hill State ban penlong ye ketura kum kenong ba telang jong ke Jylla nadu kisnem kat kendai spa nyopuar.
Dingthang matsai nyalam bigi pas sumoina mathela anga TGC SU ni General Secretary yung ang nibim ko jiri singchang sang mabunga anga ya sumai ko rain ba banggiza thalata ni ko nakta kusyong bia jekon chinga winter capital ba second capital yani gun banggiza nga thalat nagtaska aro ansmi Meghalaya government na banggiza molmolani ko nakta kusyong bia jekon winter capital ba second capital ni aga nacham ya winter capital ba second capital ko jen sumoyo Meghalaya zakaten mana wa sumoyon ya winter capital ba second capital ko thurao dakna nin ba tik ka kaman nunga cham indiba wa tik ka kaman ko da alona ba mamang jakudi ani exercise ka ani dung kujeng ani gaman anga demand ka ani ko nagta kusyong bea anga aro ang baksana chinga thura government college student union bojini kita chinga demand ka nagta kusyong ya ko exercise ka china kita chinga demand ka nagta kusyong bea Meghalaya government ko chinga mol nagta kusyong bea jegun chinga da binga cham uko on pachina ninba anga aro chingni thura government college student bojini kita mol kusyong bea jekon tik ka iduna wako exercise ka nagta nang chumota jekon winter capital ba second capital ninba dona jedake jadokna Shillong gen summer capital aro jadokna thurao gen winter capital gen chum aro wa winter capital ko thurao ra bagin chmodi thuraba dengtang tang development ni gitong chong education sector ni gitong chong aro business donga warang ba namda pani ko man gechum aro benefit ko man genchum uni gman tau thura ko niat gechmodi anching education ni gitaba thangonani ko nakna gata mana business sector ni gitaba thangonani ko nakna gata mana au dengtang tang jerang kon anchingni member angko CM rangko anching grongna nanggen chmoba anchingna irura anyo namenik nekani rangko mana jin sumoyo thurauna ya winter capital ko rabagin wa sumoyo anching achkrang ba ji nanga khamna ba anching thurao wa mangko grongna gata mangen dao gata nyat gen chmode jen salo dao Shillongo capital ko doni skotong ko doni wano anchingni government kham khainga anchingni MLA chong anchingni CM chong alji dilgabarang dongacham wa mangko grongna nangge chomba achka sungni mandirang salgini sagatham wa byapuna riangin ba grongna gatan nanga maina cheng thurauna khangpari ba singsa thurauni
Kabalang Presbyterian Mautho Mirdon District kalakantiu ya Mirdon kum Kapastret Mirdon District Bathamai Lathung batla sut la shorya kini Kapastret Bathamai haka arpulai tarik Iaiong haying meni Kabalang Presbyterian nong ba Mirdon daki arngut kirang ba nong sharai karib hoy sapngi Presbytery u Reverend MB Makri bat utamen basan TJ Umdor ringkat kajing sakhilang ki nong sharai ki bakentup yo pastor rangba karib hoy sinot Reverend LS Nongplang ki pastor ki temen basan ki nong kit kam ka district ki dukot bat ki delegates bat ki pai riunget na Kabalang Mirdon District kabalajudan barok syikat tahapo Kamautho Mirdon District lependep bantung yaka hadin bala ibet katkum kijing terwakam ba enpia ne penkha thamai artli ki district bala tip kum Kamautho District kabadon riutli ki balang kata Kamaulungkhung Banbudai Ritiang Thad Soliya bat kejukyang katba Mirdon District kakentup ye ki balang Mautari Mirdon Nongba Mirdon Yarong Samaria Tera bat mau berhud. Ki pastor badai kmi ha Kamautho District kilong Reverend LS Makdo bat Reverend ESA. Kat bah Mirdon District kilong Reverend BL Lingdo bat kejingerap lang Reverend LS Nongplang.
So, ini mau long kadak kami isbat ba ngintong ng Khubor ya ka Manon Pastorat haga ni Khubor haga kerteng ka jong Jesus Christ utrai jogi pada Khubor jong ka dipoy sa ni presbytery itong yaki balong ka Manon Pastorat ka baham ko jong ka dipoy sa ni presbytery ban hapo ojong kaliboy Christian Synod. Go try kabalang undon rengkat pati paro. Amen. tong ini dua. Try mau play jogi. Kaburom ka ding itong men, ikikam kibame manale. Try hagen kasui. Kogi beliau isakri kibalik itong men. Yakaba ka presbytery kalai born. Pantong niya kan ka pastorat batmay hapo sa presbytery. Try ilong tan kibrio pat kay ka pam. Eneng ka man skam bagay ka por ka jingwan thum kalong daw man sim ko jong. Bagay ka pastorat. Tandong kay out play kabajok haginanti ya kita. Oi kumbakila anut pagijing tresitom hagipor kibalay ito. Rengka kejingalang ko jong mensim jong. Try kila puy na ko nila tong jong jong. Kermen bagani ko juba santi play ko jong. Kanialam out play na kabanta kinong syarang. Bat kunjuru komensim jonga tonang yai takabo nanam kre ya tu khana pot item san tije ondor ai di sulok ti jong ble making sai ko chide denre han susiam ye kene kamat nane ke jing khat long nagabanta kum ke jing tu bagi ai musim nagabanta jong pi kani ka kentin ka baon to nang yai ka Khubor kani ka kentin ke jing ai musim ka jing kentu ken pa ai jing kerman shishu hadin bala dep kan le ha la le hadin bala job panang kam le ha shishu egis ni baki por ki bandang wan ini sya istom dari por dan kon pada kalong tonang le ha shushu tonang san nang roy shushu tonang roy parung para tonang syai nang kiakra tonang yai shushu saprang tonang yai dakabo kani dekin yai tolong opposite nane makrasya batabayen nane batabasyong nani batabatia tolong opposite yai ne uparen uang wak baru kapten komandar uang move forward takkan pau batakran ba omdei banyem ba omdei bansyong ba omdei bantia haju ki bataksan move forward yai sapra kaki tak kejong isaya kalau nong basau kau tak like way ong kecil kejong play kita tiba akmi yang try kimpen tumai bo ker sedrong de kitab yang kundi kin mare pat kin on snow time kin ya pat kin on snow white kajingnya jogi kun Israel impek dia nari Egypt syarikanan kamde kajingnya nanti kami tenang balik on punta tongnya
Kinong ilam ka Youth Rep National Youth Fund HNYF kila benok jingkeli ye Khubor jong ka KHADC bat ke hima melim bakila khendra trading license tangi kinong de madan da ka bapelat pat ye ki kam khayi kiat persi bean haki restoran de shaw momo ki badan belai kerhai hayaudo bat haki saudong pot jong ka ni ka yau Usamla Tilibor Swear Assistant General Secretary ulabo jingkeli ru ye katanat excise ki bakhabrip dapet ye kini ki kambean hakani ka yau ula keliru hakanu kerukom ki restoran ki yo alat bande kiat persi habala ai license ye ki tang bande jingba
Baik bang habia karni ha yo malom kumbangi pasien ru lahir ko si ke lakra kamandri katu kat ni pan kumengiyok buat ke pat mandri kajule yai bi an pan bu kabar ni macam kot islah Mari abang ni likli mata ni bak kot islah ki tentang jongka jumbam tum mumu sao hai ka jumbam ki ban ki haba kini kila man bu open kum ni ya kani ka jimpuan ka ding kiat hari open bi kum ni kat bok kasingi pan unah bi diri apa teng kerja kani kami tang meminta kalau Islam pelat beli biar sekutu kan bor nak pergi kani rukmi apa mani kami ha kunu kasingi mentau sakyam hangtung tu ki sathe ka mar ki juki ki sa pra ki sa sis kan baki ni pat kunu kadang ni hayo kedang lak menle ni kadot kai kayo kede koi nak ni kada aku bakadon kani ka jumpu ai tham kum ni hapo yo taru Australia laman kepuar mi bujli be wei hadin wei kat kum ka jengi osno ka jengi ba kini ki bar la kini ki nong ki betan takila adap kamai spa nang ni ki kun ki hajar ki jengi kisit phat pan lech kiri nong wei da swa ba kin lech ri nong wei kisit bah no e kini ka kam ha ki parajat ka ka ba ar pat kalong ba men hakani ha por nakaliang jong siem nakaliang ka district council kilawan man krai ki pat isla kalau igat kum kejum persai jong ki nong ni bola awan ni apa kacaka ni to yang molong kila krai ki training lesson balik ki kini balik hab mi dangi hakapor ba pi ai ki kot slap kempet sia namar babun ki kot sla kat kum pi ki media pi la sakhi klang tu pilai i bahang tu la dan tang ka restoran wala katar kedang pli ki ibu lang bat kiat ki dba ni tu satu kemudian ke jengkit kri nak kalian ka KHADC ban kalian dong siap kata ka jengkili ke bang apa ban bu hang apreng jengkili arnut pi nong baik bat kumjuru ya ketenat exercise makanya le ban ban kendra no ikini baro makan sar plan ikini baro namar ka jengle ke joki ki along pe an teng wat dang nilai i ngila sakhi dak khmat la jong rupa hakapor bakiwan kasi kisit le ban ha kisit ngiat dala dai ki por jauh ki be adu atu ki pen ibor kini apa kisu bale illegal ya bisa illegal kata boleh pinham dapat ibor ki konsesi jemi dina kani ka jing ing bangiwan klang ban rak na yang sampai dadan menu rupa menu pan kam ni kini kam ni nakal yang kaseng ila along ki balapan kaya nah taruhi koi nomor beli kasih jungi ru kibun ki baton pat itu beli kita penbiang ru ki kot selah habar kakta ka revenue joki ru kakta ya kamai ka ji kata kini pat bantam kot bantam selah dia play di kemudi tah keteng jong restoran dia bu kabar apa ka jing kram ta ngilap pang bakawai ka dukan ka don restoran kumba ka license
Katayo le kemen jang Shillong Commerce College kelas dang ha ka apu sautre gu Iaiong bala play de ka principal Dr. Mrs. Sabita Sen bat ka vice principal Kong Josephine Sibla hapading ka jing shit jang kisamla puli bat kinong hikai kani ka college ka Dr. Sabita Sen kalakentui kisamla puli bikin shimbenta habaro ki jingile kai ban penpau bat penroy ye kisap tenrai babonjat jangki kalakentu bat manaru bakani katayaw le kemen kamde katayaw latlan ban pernop hakijing blin basniu kum katan secret ne ambilor kian kaloong baladasyem yenu bale ikinigi kam ka transfer certificate kala up lupa hatingkong na kabenta jangki kinong yalam janggi samla puli bat kinong hikai klapen kre ikijing yukop ile kai indo bat outdoor hakani katayaw tamasa.
So we've all come together, and this will be a really historic college week, I suppose. I was feeling a little disheartened, last week, because we were supposed to start the marathon on Saturday, but there was DC's order due to the unprecedented heat in Shillong. The DC didn't give us the permission, and even I didn't want to take the risk in case anything went wrong with any one of you. I would have felt guilty. So never mind, as Ms. Josephine says, we will keep on running and we'll come to college every day. And that will complete a marathon probably. Now, college week is a wonderful week, We spend our time. I've been waiting for it ever since I joined college, let me tell you. Even as teachers, we really look forward to college week because we don't have to teach. And you don't have to study. So you see, it's a mutual feeling. And we really look forward to see all the hidden talents that you have. College week brings out all the hidden talents that you have. Just now we heard, you know, two wonderful songs which says, one says like he will never give up, he will go up till the sky. The other says, we will not change, we will not change. Our relationship will not change between teachers and students. We don't want change. Of course, the world is so full of change, every day is changing. But this is somewhere, this is one point which I don't want us to change. The relationship between the teacher and the students. And Shillong Commerce College has been a wonderful small family. It's not as big as other colleges, but we are all in one family. We share each other's joys and sorrows, sufferings, happiness, victory, losses. So Shillong Commerce College is a unique college. You must have felt it. Teachers must have felt it. Students must have felt it. You must be feeling it, and you will feel it more, especially the 6 semesters who will be leaving us. It's very sad, you know, to study in a college. Some of you for 5 years in the college, some of you 3 years in the college, and I, 37 years in the college. This will be my last college week. I'm going to retire in October. So this will be my last college week. I'm really going to miss it, I'm telling you. I will really miss it. Well, college week gives you the chance to play together. Your team spirit comes up. You work together, you quarrel together, you fight together, you play together. And when you're playing a game, you play like enemies. But after the game is over, you're all friends. So remember that after the war is over, we all have to live like friends. So don't beat up anybody, don't break anyone's legs, don't scratch anyone's eyes, because you have to live again. So that team spirit should be there. And one thing that I realized, you know, when you play games, your attention level is very high. More higher than in the classroom. Am I right? Yes. Because you see, you have to be attentive, otherwise you're a loser. In the class, okay, let the teacher say whatever she says, okay, fine. Whatever she reads, fine. She's looking at the blackboard, she's writing, fine. But if in a game of a basketball, or a football, or a chess, or a carom, if you're not paying attention, then you are the loser. So your attention level is really very, very much at its height. So make sure that you're very attentive and play the game in the game spirit. The sportsman spirit is something very important. And play as, you know, when you are playing, play as a class, plus play as an individual. If it's an individual game, you know, you should be detachedly attached and attachedly detached. That is the mantra of the college week. And then you will find that you will not be affected by the loss or the gain. Because sometimes when you are victorious, you come out first, your ego rises up. You think, oh, I am the best. There's no one better than me. And you feel that's the end of the world. But that's not the end of the world. So you see, you have to remain. Games and sports helps us to make us a very balanced person. That is the only way you can remain balanced. And as a principal, I want that there should be strict discipline in the college. Please see that, you know, discipline is maintained. Come with your ID cards. Without ID cards, no entry. Volunteers, please see to it. Because this college is also, our neighboring college is beginning their college week today. So there may be interchange of people coming here and there and trying to create problems. I don't want that kind of problems. So please see, it is your college. Don't allow any outsiders. Of course, the guests are allowed. Outsiders are allowed. They are wonderful guests. They should be always welcome. Because you must have seen, and we don't want people using unwanted things. You can take water, it's very hot. You can take cold drinks, it's very hot. But please do not take any hot drinks in a hot day. Strictly not allowed. I will give you a TC straight away. Last year I had suspended a few students, girl students, for misbehavior, and I still stand in my place. I don't change. When it comes to discipline, I don't change. When it comes to enjoyment, I enjoy. So with these few words, I declare this conference 2023 open. May you all enjoy. You all do.
Kakong Repika Beki Pede Kalara Ikatakma Rupa Habakalawan Baar Hakamare Yakob Kalimpong Ultra Marathon Kabajingai 1,000 kilometer Balapulong Dagarashni Foundation Haka Arpo Artarik Iaiong Hawes Bengal. Hakani Kajingmare Yakob lawan Shiminta Bungut Kirang Bat Kithik Sa Kawa Nakalengkari India. Kakong Repika Kalayo Ru Ikanam Brand Ambassador Jongkani Kalimpong.
Nice one. Thank you. Where's your jacket?
In the scooty.
Okay.
Thank you.
A big round of applause for the runner. Repika Becky Petty, 8 hours 47 minutes 34 seconds. Congratulations, ma'am. 6506, and request her to kindly do the honors. Rawal Zoda Thapari. It's all the way from Shillong, Meghalaya, to be a part of this event, the Kalimpong Ultra Marathon 2023. Congratulations, Repika Becky. Thank you very much.
Bat daki tuki Khubor ngilapoy siya kabakod, tak haduk mengindah syambiang kublay shibon.